SBET stock analysis and SBET stock prediction. So in this 1-minute video, I'm breaking down my play and everything for next week and onward. And my exact levels now. Why so? Because I'm the only person in this space with 41,000 videos made like this. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point. Tens of thousands of dollars have been invested in courses and mentors of seeing what's working for me and what's not. Especially proof that I have that I called this thing out way before this pump happened. At that time, we were sitting at 30 bucks. I was at least expecting it to come back to like 55-ish something. That's what I explained in that video. And like 8 days ago, and I like literally called it out, then came down correcting. Unless I do see this shift kind of taking a place here now, like it's not gonna be a buy for me whatsoever. Just hoping that I can juice it even more, but if the rules are not met, man, like I'm not gonna be buying this. Now this is overly optimistic. I'm like, do I think this is gonna 4x or whatever? Well, it could, like it did before, but like we are gonna see. I'm not gonna force it. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free email.